It finally happened. The robots came for your job. For years, we joked about it, laughed at dystopian sci-fi movies, and told ourselves it was decades away. But it's here. In 2024, we saw the first real wave, massive layoffs at Google, Duolingo replacing entire departments with AI, startups ditching entire dev teams for a single GPT-powered backend, and that was just the beginning. If you're watching this right now, you've either already been affected or you know it's coming. Maybe your company is piloting some AI productivity tool. Maybe your manager just asked how familiar you are with automation. Or maybe your LinkedIn feed is flooded with posts about upskilling and pivoting. Today, we're not sugarcoating it. AI just killed jobs forever. But the good news is, there is a way to survive, and not just survive, but thrive. So stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn the brutal truth about what's really happening, why most people are completely unprepared for what's next, and what you can do right now to stay relevant and ahead of the curve. If you get value from this video, and I promise you will, please like and share this with someone who needs to hear it. It helps the channel reach more people, and it shows the algorithm this is worth spreading. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with the cold, hard facts. According to a 2024 Goldman Sachs report, AI could replace up to 300 million jobs worldwide. That's not just customer service reps and truck drivers. That includes lawyers, software developers, accountants, writers, even some doctors. The old narrative that AI will only take repetitive or low-skill jobs? Dead. It's taking thinking jobs, creative jobs, jobs that required college degrees and years of training. And if you think you're safe because you're a knowledge worker, let me tell you this: you're not. You see, AI doesn't just automate tasks, it redefines what's considered valuable. In the past, being able to write well, code efficiently, analyze data, or design presentations was a huge competitive advantage. Now, AI can do all of that in seconds. It doesn't take breaks, it doesn't get sick, it doesn't ask for raises. So what does that mean for you? It means the middle is disappearing. Fast. We're entering a two-tier system. On one side, you have people who use AI. They work with it, not against it. They become exponentially more productive. Their output skyrockets. They get promoted, they get funding, they win. On the other side, you have people who try to ignore AI, or worse, compete with it directly. They lose. They become the modern-day equivalent of a blacksmith in the age of combustion engines. But here's the thing. They don't tell you in most of these doom and gloom videos. AI didn't kill jobs, it killed tasks. And that's not the same thing. A job is a collection of tasks. If 80% of your tasks can be done by AI, your job doesn't disappear overnight. It just changes. If you adapt, you become 10 times more valuable. If you don't, well, you become a line item on a layoff spreadsheet. So how do you adapt? How do you not just survive this AI tidal wave, but actually ride it? Here's the roadmap. Pay close attention. Step 1. Learn to think in AI. This is the new literacy. It's not about learning to code, although that helps. It's about understanding what AI can do and what it can't. Knowing when to prompt, when to curate, when to direct. In the same way, the internet didn't replace journalists, but gave rise to better ones who understood SEO and digital storytelling. AI will elevate the people who speak its language. Step 2. Build your personal monopoly. If AI can do 80% of what everyone else can do, you have to be the only person who can do the remaining 20%. This means combining your unique background, experiences, and insights into something that's hard to copy. Maybe you're a finance analyst who understands TikTok culture. Maybe you're a nurse with a passion for software. Whatever it is, that weird mix is your moat. Step 3. Become a 1 to 100 person. AI is phenomenal at going from 1 to 100, but it still sucks at going from 0 to 1. This is your opportunity. If you can originate the idea, define the problem, sketch the vision, AI can then scale it for you. Most people wait for instructions. The winners create the blueprint. Step 4. Own something. This is the harshest truth. If you're not building, you're being built over. Start a newsletter, build a YouTube channel, create a course, launch a product. Don't just be a cog in someone else's machine. Own the machine. Even if it's small at first, ownership scales. And step 5, don't just consume AI, train it. The real power play in this new economy is in fine-tuning and customizing AI models. Companies are already paying top dollar for people who can create domain-specific AI tools. This means instead of relying on a generic chatbot, you build a tool specifically trained on your company's data, voice, and needs. That's the next level. Now, here's the final and maybe most important point. This isn't about beating AI. You can't. It's smarter than you in 1,000 different ways. But you can be the bridge, the translator, the conductor. AI is the orchestra. You are the maestro. And those who learn how to wield this technology with intention and strategy, they won't just survive, they'll dominate. So, what's next for you? If you're still watching, it means you care. You're not in denial. That already puts you ahead of 95% of the workforce. But awareness isn't enough. Execution is everything. So here's your challenge. This week, spend 1 hour learning how to use a new AI tool. Try ChatGPT for content, Midjourney for visuals, Runway for video. See what happens. Because once you see what's possible, you'll never work the same again. And if this video opened your eyes, even a little, smash that subscribe button. This channel is all about giving you the unfair advantage in an unfair world. AI isn't the enemy, but ignorance is. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.